Hello students, today we are going to see the questions of our first poem 2.1 Song of the Open Road. See the questions from our brainstorming. Page number 95. See the first question A1, the sub-question first one. See the question. Pick out the lines showing that the poet is prepared to enjoy every moment of his journey. See, we have to pick out the lines showing that our poet is prepared to enjoy every moment of his journey. See, first stanza, the whole stanza is the answer of the first one. See the lines. Afoot and light-hearted, I take to the open road. Healthy, free, the world before me. The long brown path before me, leading wherever I choose. You have to write all these lines as an answer. Okay. Now see the second question. By old delicious burdens, the poet means, and see, four options are given. A. The luggage. B. The food he carries. C. The stress he bears during the travels. And D. Sweet memories of the past. And the answer is D. Sweet memories of the past. Now see the third sub-question. The poet is a person who is free from all inhibitions. Discuss how the concept of freedom is expressed in the poem. See the question. The poet is a person who is free from all inhibitions. Our poet is quite free from all inhibitions. Inhibitions, प्रतिबंध. Understand? Poet आपला कसा आहे? He is free. Discuss how the concept of freedom is expressed in the poem. आपला पोएट ही एक अशी व्यक्ती आहे की जी सर्व प्रकारच्या प्रतिबंधांपासून मुक्त आहे. मग आपल्या पोएममध्ये कन्सेप्ट ऑफ फ्रीडम म्हणजे स्वातंत्र्याची संकल्पना कशी व्यक्त केली आहे? बघा आन्सर काय आहे. फ्रीडम इज द मेन थीम ऑफ द पोएम. अंडरस्टँड? द टायटल इटसेल्फ expresses the theme. The poet started his journey on the open road. He is free to choose his own path. According to him, he is a satisfied person, hence he needs nothing. It shows the concept of freedom. Okay. Now see A2, the sub-question first one. Following are the activities of the poet related to his journey on the road. Divide them into two parts as activities the poet will practice and activities he will not practice. See, A to H. The activities are given here. We have to divide all these activities into two parts. A पासून H पर्यंत काही ॲक्टिव्हिटीज पोएटच्या दिलेल्या आहेत. आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे? यांचं डिवायडेशन दोन पार्ट्समध्ये करायचं आहे. द फर्स्ट पार्ट इज अबाउट द ॲक्टिव्हिटीज द पोएट विल प्रॅक्टिस अँड द सेकंड पार्ट इट इज अबाउट ॲक्टिव्हिटीज ही विल नॉट प्रॅक्टिस. एका पार्टमध्ये आपल्याला काय लिहायचं आहे? ॲक्टिव्हिटीज द पोएट विल प्रॅक्टिस म्हणजे पोएट कोणत्या ॲक्टिव्हिटीज प्रॅक्टिस करणार आहे. आणि सेकंड पार्टमध्ये काय लिहायचं आहे? ॲक्टिव्हिटीज ही विल नॉट प्रॅक्टिस, ज्या ॲक्टिव्हिटीज तो प्रॅक्टिस करणार नाही. असं दोघांमध्ये डिवायडेशन करायचं आहे. नाऊ सी द फर्स्ट वन. वॉकिंग अलॉंग द रोड दो ही डज नॉट नो वेअर इट रीचेस. येस, the poet will practice this activity, so it will come in first part. Now see, complaining about the discomforts during the journey. Poet ने कधी complain केलेली आहे का? नाही. So हे कसं येणार आहे? सेकंड पार्ट मध्ये. सी. पोस्टपोनिंग द जर्नी. पोएट कोणतीही गोष्ट पोस्टपोन केलेली आहे का त्याने लाईफमध्ये? नाही. सो इट विल कम इन द सेकंड पार्ट. नाउ प्रेइंग फॉर गुड फॉर्च्यून. पोएटने कधी गुड फॉर्च्यूनसाठी प्रे केलेला आहे का? नाही. ही सेड ना, henceforth I ask not for good fortune, I myself am good fortune. It means that he never pray. So D comes in second part. Now carrying the fond memories of the good people. Carrying the fond memories. Fond memories म्हणजे स्वीट मेमरीज. चांगल्या लोकांच्या काही स्वीट मेमरीज आहेत त्या त्याने आपल्या सोबत नेलेल्या आहेत का? येस. सो इट विल कम इन द फर्स्ट पार्ट. नाउ सी F. क्रिएटिंग कॉन्टॅक्ट्स विथ फेमस अँड इन्फ्लुएन्शियल पीपल. क्रिएटिंग कॉन्टॅक्ट्स, त्याला कॉन्टॅक्ट्स ठेवायचे आहेत का? नाही आहेत. त्याला फ्री राहायचं आहे. अंडरस्टँड? सो F will come in the second part. Now G. Striving to achieve high and bright success. Strive means struggle, प्रयत्न करणे. To achieve high and bright success, यश मिळवण्यासाठी तो प्रयत्न करतो आहे का? तर yes. So it will come in the first part. And the last one, reflecting and developing his own self. Is he trying to develop his own self? स्वतःला डेव्हलप करण्याचा त्याने प्रयत्न केलेला आहे का? येस. सो once again it will come in the first part. So A, E, G and H. These are the activities the poet will practice. So all these activities comes in the first part, and the remaining activities B, C, D and F. These are the activities the poet will not practice. So this will comes in the second part. Now see the next question. Second one. Write down the traits the poet exhibit through following lines. One is done for you. Write down the traits. Okay. See. Henceforth I ask not for good fortune. I myself am good fortune. What this line tells us that? This line tells us about the poet's self-confidence. Understand? So just like this, you have to give the answer. Now see the next line. B. Henceforth I whimper no more, postpone no more, need nothing. What this line suggests us? That the poet is courageous and he is satisfied. Okay. Now the next one. C. I do not want the constellations any nearer. This line tells us that he is independent. Next one. I swear it is impossible for me to get rid of them. This tells us that he is self-aware. So what is the quality? Self-awareness. And the last one. I am filled with them and I will feel them in return. This line tells us that the poet promised the people. So, promise. Understand? Now, the last question from A2. See the question. Healthy, free, the world before me. Express your views regarding the above line. See. Healthy, free, the world before me. From this line, what the poet wants to tell us? That the world is healthy. The word healthy shows us the positiveness in poet's mind. The world is healthy as well as it is free for the poet. So freely he enjoys the journey of life. Okay, now see A3. The poet has used many describing words such as healthy in this poem. Make a list and classify them as. See, the poet uses some words for describing the particular words. See, for the world. How is the world according to the poet? How is the world? The world is healthy and free. So what is the answer? Healthy, free. For himself, the poet uses the word as how is he according to him? How is the poet? He is strong and content. And see, for the road is, according to the poet, the road is open. So what is the answer?